The SR-71's a very special airplane, right? It was way ahead of its time in its design and, the whole thing. So what can you tell us about, first of all, its principal designer, Kelly Johnson, and sort of the unclassified cool aspects of its unique construction and airframe?
Well, the airplane itself has been all declassified now, so nothing about it is classified now.
Hmm.
Some of the sensor capabilities are still classified, but otherwise, the airplane is a fascinating machine. Really love flying it. Just an amazing machine. Kelly Johnson was the principal designer with Lockheed Skunk Works. He was born in 1910. I read his biography. He's one of my heroes, so I know a lot about him. He as a child, he wanted to design airplanes. He did not want to fly them particularly, but he wanted to design them, and became one of America's premier airplane designers. And his stepson showed me a scrapbook that young Kelly had made when he was 12 years old, and I enjoyed flipping through that scrapbook on airplanes. And one article that really caught my attention was an article about how, let's see, that would have been in 1923, how the French had just taken the world speed record from the United States. So he had that article cut out, and at the top of the page, he had 4 exclamation points and said, "Notice." And you can practically hear young Kelly saying, "That is unacceptable, and I'm going to design an airplane that'll take that speed record," and he sure did. But what made Kelly so successful was not only was he a brilliant engineer, but he's also a brilliant manager. He didn't build the airplane by himself, and so engineering and management made him highly successful. He designed the P-38 World War II, America's first operational jet fighter, the F-80 Shooting Star, the F-104, the U-2 spy plane, which was shot down over Russia in 1960, Francis Gary Powers. And so he decided, well, I'll build an airplane that's too high and too fast to be shot down. And so his crowning achievement, the beautiful and at the time mysterious SR-71 Blackbird.